This question is about remove adjacent repeated characters in given string. So, for example, if we have a string is AAAA, BBBC, we want to transfer to ABC. So how we do that? We have to put this string to change to char. So in the char list, once we are looking for the previous one, if the current one is the same as the previous one, we ignore. If the current one is different than the previous one, we add, we change to the index. So here's the algorithm. First, the base case is if the input is null, we can return null. And the other one is if it's not, we change to the char array, and the char array will be a list. Then we set end equals 0. So this will be a pointer. Then we use the for loop to loop the char array. If the I equals 0, this case is to make sure if it's 0, we still run to the end pointer. If it's because it starts like 0, we cannot do -1, so we have to put the 0 here. Otherwise, we need to put n equals 1, then here we need to put if input equals null or input smaller than 1, we return input. So here we do this way, I equals 0 and the char array I. If it's not equals char array I -1, we put the character to the end, which means it's an in-place replacement. So AAA will change to ABAA. Then if it's so, we loop to the end. The end will be ABC. End is the last character, and you can ignore the rest of the array list. So here's how that works. And the time complexity will be the O(n). N is the length of the char array or the input. And the space complexity will also be O(n), since it's we need these characters stored in the system.